Today we are going to look at the top 5 dash cameras to buy in 2023. All items are linked in the description. Let's get into it. First off, we have the Vantrue N4. The Vantrue N4 is a reliable and feature-packed dash cam that offers a comprehensive solution for capturing your driving experiences. With its dual 155-degree wide-angle lenses and 4K resolution, it ensures sharp and clear video recordings of both the road ahead and the interior of your vehicle. The N4 also features advanced night vision technology, enabling clear footage even in low-light conditions. With built-in GPS and G-sensor, it provides essential information such as location and impact detection. While the N4 offers excellent video quality and a range of useful features, it should be noted that the user interface may not be as intuitive as some other models. Overall, the Vantrue N4 is a reliable choice for those seeking a dual camera setup and high-quality video recording capabilities. Coming in at number 2, the Rove R2. The Rove R2 is a compact and affordable dash cam that offers essential features for capturing your journeys on the road. With its full HD resolution and wide-angle lens, it captures clear and detailed footage of the road ahead. The R2 features loop recording and a built-in G-sensor for automatic event detection and recording. It also includes a built-in GPS module to track your route and speed. While the R2 provides reliable video recording, its low-light performance may not be as strong as higher-end models. Additionally, the user interface and menu navigation could be more user-friendly. If you're looking for a budget-friendly dash cam that gets the job done without breaking the bank, the Rove R2 is a solid option. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. Next on our list is the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is an ultra-compact and discreet dash cam that delivers reliable video recording in a small package. With its 1080p resolution and a wide viewing angle, it captures crisp footage of your drives. The Mini 2 features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy video transfers and access to the Garmin Drive app. Its automatic incident detection and loop recording ensure that important events are captured without user intervention. While the Mini 2 lacks some advanced features found in higher-end models, such as built-in GPS, it offers a simple and reliable solution for those who prioritize a compact and inconspicuous design. If you're looking for a dash cam that blends seamlessly into your vehicle and provides reliable video recording, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is worth considering. Next on our list is the Nextbase 622GW. 622GW is a feature-rich dash cam that combines high-quality video recording with advanced safety and connectivity features. With its 4K resolution and wide dynamic range, it captures detailed footage with exceptional clarity. The 622GW features enhanced night vision for clear recordings in low-light conditions and includes image stabilization for smoother footage. It offers a variety of safety features, including intelligent parking mode and emergency SOS alerts. The built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity allow for easy file sharing and access to the Nextbase Connect app. While the 622GW offers an extensive range of features, its higher price point may be a consideration for some. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line dash cam with advanced safety features and excellent video quality, the Nextbase 622GW is a premium option worth considering. And finally, we have the Red Tiger F7N PLUS. The Red Tiger F7N PLUS is a budget-friendly dash cam that provides reliable video recording capabilities at an affordable price. With its full HD resolution and wide-angle lens, it captures clear footage of your journeys. The F7N PLUS features loop recording and a G-sensor for automatic incident detection and recording. It also includes a parking monitor function to protect your vehicle when parked. While the F7N PLUS offers basic features and decent video quality, it should be noted that the build quality and user interface may not be as robust as higher-end models. If you're seeking a budget-friendly option to record your drives without compromising essential features, the Red Tiger F7N PLUS is a suitable choice. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check back daily for new videos reviewing top products.